Have you ever felt like no matter what you do, you are just not moving forward? Like you are stuck in the same place while everyone seems to be making progress? I understand how you feel. I was there before. And the most important part of this is that there's a way out. If you stick with me, I'm going to show you how you can break through from this. Feeling stuck in life isn't just frustrating, it's exhausting. Like I can remember some years back, I was stuck in life. I was just stuck with a whole lot of things. You know why? Because I was about to wrap up with my university degree, and there's no job, and our hope as at the time was dashed. You know, going to school, we had the belief that after school we are going to get a white collar job. So I understand. I was in final years at the time, so it was actually a time I was really stuck. I never had the option of, going into business, but when that happened, I had to consider these things I am about to share with you now, and it really brought me out of that frustration. There are some common mistakes that actually keep people stuck in life. Most people don't even realize why they are stuck. They blame their situation, some blame their backgrounds, or even other people. Some blame their uncles. But the real reason you are actually stuck is not because of all of those things. If you look deeply, you understand that the way you think, the way you act, and what you allow in your life, if you look deeply into these things, they are actually the main reasons why you are stuck. Number one, you must learn to rewire your mindset. The way you think shapes your reality. If you constantly tell yourself that, oh, I can't, it's too hard for me, oh my God, maybe it's not for me, guess what? You stay stuck. Instead, start telling yourself, what's the next step I can take? Wherever you are now, the next question you should ask yourself shouldn't be, oh, why am I like this? The next question you should ask yourself should be, what's next from here? What is the next action to take from here? What is the next decision you are to make from here? So no matter how small, your word shapes your future. It is what you tell yourself that shapes your future. You must have that at the back of your mind. And number two thing you must know is that you must learn to take imperfect actions. Most people wait for the perfect time to start business, the perfect time to take action, the perfect time. The honest truth is there's no perfect time anywhere. If you have any idea in your mind, the only time you have is now. The longer you wait, the harder it becomes, the harder it gets. When you overanalyze your ideas, when you start thinking too much, the harder the implementation gets. So you can just start small. Just ensure that you start as fast as you can. And number three, I would love to share with you is you must surround yourself with growth-minded people. Growth-minded people. Your environment shapes you. Yeah. If the kind of people that you have around you are people who complain or give excuses or don't challenge themselves, they are people that are very, complacent. They are just the I don't care people. Number one, they are going to influence your mind. Your mindset is going to be badly affected. And whatsoever they do, you will do the same. Because people or your environment actually influences your mind and influences your future in the long run. So you must find people who push you to grow, because success is actually very, very contagious. Now, here's the question I have for you. Which of these three things do you struggle with the most? I want to help you move forward. So why don't you just share it in the comment section, and I will be right there waiting for you to, help you move forward.